Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Jake Fletcher here with the Fletcher Group at eXp Realty, and I am super excited to be bringing you guys this video today. We are in one of the hottest neighborhoods in all of Miami, which is Edgewater, and we're at one of the hottest developments going up in all of the city. I'm talking about the Aria Reserve. So we have 360 units, 62 stories, spread across the largest dual towers on the water in the entire United States. It's crazy, but before we go any further, if you guys like videos like this, if you enjoy that I bring you property walkthroughs and content directly from the source, go ahead and smash the like button, hit subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I'll keep on bringing you videos just like this. So this project is really amazing. They've done not just an amazing job at curating a certain aesthetic and lifestyle here, but presenting units that are unlike anything I've ever seen, to be honest. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the project as we're walking through their floor model here at the sales center. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever, all my contact info is down below. Reach out to me anytime, and I look forward to hearing from you. I am pleased to present to you the tallest waterfront dual towers in the United States, Aria Reserve, a unique and beautiful project strategically located in Edgewater in the city of Miami, just a few minutes away from the design district known for housing some of the most exclusive designer brands and boutiques, the Wynwood Art District, the central hub of all things to do with art in Miami, and less than 7 minutes from Brickell, the second largest financial district in the country behind Wall Street, of course, the beautiful beaches of Miami Beach, and the Miami International Airport. The project sits atop a unique 5.2-acre lot with 547 lineal feet of waterfront on Biscayne Bay. A seamless blend between fine art and luxurious yet practical living, Aria Reserve will redefine urban and modern lifestyle. These magnificent towers will combine the beauty of nature with the first-class amenities and designs, creating a perfectly balanced atmosphere. Let's talk about some of the facts of the project. Not only is Aria Reserve the tallest dual towers in the United States, but it's the last Miami waterfront project of its kind, due to the nature of the sizable lot and location where it's positioned. In addition to a 5.2-acre site and 547 lineal feet of water frontage, Aria Reserve has an unparalleled 2 acres of amenities, and the list of those amenities is insane, so get ready. At the lobby level, residents enjoy valet parking, a 24-hour front desk staff, and personal concierge for all other needs. On the Sky Lobby level, there's a full-featured business center, multiple conference and meeting rooms, flex offices, and co-working spaces, as well as a coffee and refreshment center. Bay-level amenities include water sports marina, access to bay walk along the water, a restaurant overlooking the bay, a cafe with bay views, and exterior terraces, valet parking and services, personal concierge and 24-hour front desk attendant, package room for deliveries, fire pit, lounge pool, solarium areas, whirlpool spa with private solarium deck, meditation garden, paddleboard service with storage and access to private dock at Bayside, poolside daybeds, telescope observatory area, and a dog park. The garden level amenities are one of the main attractions here. The outdoor garden level amenities include a semi-Olympic sized pool, whirlpool spa, poolside daybeds, kids splash pad, children's play area, and mini golf. The indoor garden level amenities include a party room with private kitchen and exterior patio with barbecue area, outdoor barbecue and private eating areas, a theater with professional audiovisual and theater-style seating, a kids' playroom with outdoor playground area, a teens lounge and gaming center. The fitness and spa area on the garden level includes a state-of-the-art fitness center overlooking the garden level with exterior exercise area, tennis courts, paddle court, basketball court, yoga lounge area with exterior meditation garden, spa relaxation area, dedicated massage rooms and services, sauna, steam room, and a solarium deck with cabanas. A quick note on the custom-designed paddleboarding dock and storage that I think is worth mentioning. The dock area has actually been deeded to the land for around 100 years, and it's nearly impossible to get new dock permits from the city these days, making this an element of this project that's super rare and you just don't see at any other buildings, especially of this caliber. The Pace Picnic Island is also located just off the shore, so you can enjoy the serenity of an island escape within kayaking distance, where the city noise seems to just magically fade away while the beautiful Miami skyline remains front and center. These picnic islands in the bay are honestly one of Miami's best kept secrets. Let's talk about the residences themselves. Floors 3 through 56 are panoramic residences with spacious open layouts with 10-foot ceilings. 2 high-speed elevators go to each unit, drastically cutting the elevator wait times that you find at other luxury buildings. Large panoramic terraces overlooking Biscayne Bay that connect to panoramic living areas as well as the master suite. A unique flow-through design that gives each residence an east-facing waterfront view as well as a west-facing sunset view from the bedrooms. All units feature space for an office, den, studio, or media room, and there are 7 different floor plans running from 1 bedroom, 2 bath plus an office to 4 bedrooms, 5.5 baths plus an office and staff room. Square footages of the units are very generous and range from 1,276 square feet to 2,852 square feet. Aria Reserve is in the heart of the city, minutes to all the best that Miami has to offer, such as the Miami Design District, Wynwood Art District, Midtown, Brickell, Miami Beach, the Arts Center and Concert Hall, Ziff Ballet and Opera House, the FTX Arena, Frost Museum of Science, Perez Art Museum, Bayfront Park, and other parks are all within 5 to 10 minutes from this strategic waterfront location. So I hope you all enjoyed this overview of the Aria Reserve in Miami. The units are going quick, so make sure if you're interested in this project or anything else to do with Miami real estate, reach out to me at the contact info down below and I'd love to help you out. Until then, make sure you smash the like button, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Keep on winning.